Hey guys, Andy here. So I've just finished trading for the day, and I thought I'd just shoot you a quick video since I haven't shot you a video for a couple of days. So I've been doing a lot of day trading. There's obviously a lot going on right now. The coronavirus is really hitting everybody hard, and we're kind of realizing the impact that it's going to have. And even I have to say that we're taking a lot of precautions and we're listening to all the advice that we're getting, and from that point of view, everybody be safe and look after yourselves. Make sure you stay isolated and you follow the guidelines. Okay, so I'm not going to go hungry. My wife has literally stocked my house up with food everywhere I look. There's food, toilet rolls, all sorts of stuff. Yeah, I would never have done that, but maybe it's a good thing. We're not going to run out of stuff. But anyway, so today, what do I want to speak about? Well, I wanted to kind of share something with you that maybe even if you're an experienced trader, maybe you don't fully appreciate, and I thought I'd share it with you. And that is the difference between an A book and a B book. Okay, so if you're wondering what the hell am I talking about, well, good, this video is for you. So when you trade with a broker, there are different markets that you can trade. So you can trade regulated markets. You could we are trading directly on an exchange. That's more the futures market, for example, or the Forex market, which is basically a decentralized market where there's no one central exchange. However, there are opportunities to trade directly with another counterparty. Okay, let me put that in layman's terms. Basically, when you decide to buy, you could be buying to somebody and then you receiving whatever you bought. Okay, so you buy, somebody else sells to you. Okay, that's basically a direct to market way of trading. So it's called DMA, direct market access, and the ways you can do that is STP and ECN. Okay, so without getting into too much detail about which is better and whatever else, and if you're interested, I'd be happy to help you with that. But essentially, you could trade directly with someone. Now that's the best way, because it basically means that you're trading directly with another person, so you're going to get filled at the correct price. Now, the other side is where brokers basically, create a price for you, and then run a B book. And what that basically means is that they give you a price, you buy it, nobody's really taking the other side. They actually do the opposite to you. So they run the opposite trade. So if you decide to buy euro dollar at 110, one lot, basically they will sell euro dollar at 110, one lot. Yes, exactly. So basically, if you win, they lose. So you've got to remember and bear that in mind, because if you're trading with a broker that's doing that to you, essentially it's not in their interest for you to win. So that's one side. And then the other side is, well, what if they're creating that price for you? So it's not really going anywhere. Well, if you've ever been stopped out by 1 or 2 pips and you thought, maybe you shouldn't have been stopped out, that's probably what's happening. Okay, because they are creating a fictitious price, and that's what you're agreeing to. So when you're trading anything that is a derivative, like a CFD or whatever, then essentially you're always going to have that risk. Okay, so it's better to trade direct, but also it's better to trade with a broker that's not going to run a B book on you. Okay, ideally you want them to run an A book on you so that they're on your side. Okay, and that's what they do with profitable traders. But that takes a little bit of time for them to find out, because essentially brokers make their money betting against traders, because statistics say in 6 months 90% of traders are going to lose their money. So here's what I want to do for you guys. If you want more information about this and you've got any questions, please feel free to private message me or send me an email. Okay, you can send an email directly to me at andy.demi, D-E-M-I, at londontradinginstitute.com. And I can give you a couple of pieces of advice, a couple of recommendations to work with brokers that basically are not going to do that. They're going to assume we're going to be profitable. Now, the only thing that I will ask as well is, you want to make sure that you do actually know how to trade. You're not gambling. So we'll have that conversation, okay? We can just swap, have a quick chat, or just message each other on email or whatever social media, and I'll give you some advice on that, okay? Because it's really important who you trade with and what the intentions of that broker are can have a big impact on your results, okay? So stay safe, guys. I'm going to wrap up for now. I'm actually going to go to the supermarket and see what else is out there. Obviously, I'm going by myself. We're not supposed to be going out in groups anymore. So that's the world that we live in. Hey, let's get used to it. Doesn't matter. Markets are still moving. Lots of volatility, lots of opportunity. Let's make some money. Sit at home, make some money. And then when the world opens up again, we can go out and spend it. Okay, but of course you can still order stuff from Amazon, so if you have got that spare money, Amazon are always happy to collect. Okay, right guys, that's it. Have a good one, guys. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.